In the bustling city of New York, brothers Noah and Martin embarked on a magical adventure. Armed with excitement and curiosity, the duo set out to explore the iconic landmarks of the city that never sleeps. Their first stop was Central Park, where they raced boats at the pond and laughed under the shade of ancient trees. With wide-eyed wonder, they gazed at the towering skyscrapers as they made their way to Times Square. Neon lights lit up the night as Noah and Martin danced amidst the lively crowd. Next on their list was the majestic Statue of Liberty. A ferry ride filled with sea breeze and giggles led them to the symbol of freedom. Martin proudly declared he would be a superhero just like Lady Liberty when he grew up. The adventure continued to the top of the Empire State Building, where the brothers marveled at the city's glittering skyline. In the heart of the city, they devoured hot dogs and pretzels while exploring the vibrant streets of Chinatown. As the day drew to a close, Noah and Martin found themselves at the enchanting Central Park Zoo. Surrounded by playful animals, they shared stories of their incredible day. Under the starlit sky, the brothers fell asleep, their dreams filled with the echoes of New York City's adventures. And so, in the heart of the metropolis, Noah and Martin's journey became a tale of brotherly love and the enchantment found in the heartbeat of a city that never ceased to amaze.